one of the things when you're teaching online is that you're always doing some sort of video stuff, and you want to video yourself and you want to video lessons. I want to show you one way that you can do a creative sort of screencast video, and all you need is an iPad or an iPhone, and it's really pretty easy. So let me show you how to do it. All right, so what you're going to need is an iPad or an iPhone that is running the latest operating system. I think it's iOS 11. There's a few easy steps you kind of need to set it up. First thing is you're going to have to set up the ability for the iPad to record whatever's on the screen. Here we go, check this out. All right, so now that we've got it set up, here's what you want to do. You want to go to the main screen of your iPad, and the most important thing that you need to do at this stage is to resist the temptation to watch Netflix, because we have important things to do right now. So when you have the main screen and you swipe up, a lot of cool things show up here. And one of the ones that we're interested in is there's a circle with another circle inside of it, and when you press that, some pretty cool things are going to happen. All right, but don't press that button yet, because first of all, we have to figure out what the lesson's going to be about, and then secondly, we're going to have to open up and figure out how to use Keynote, because Keynote is the app that's going to do all the magic for us. All right.
The time is always right to open up your eyes and be the flickering flame.
So Keynote is a really cool app, and it's very powerful. So it's really cool that with this hack you're able to use Keynote itself, because it has a lot of really powerful features within it. So yeah, Keynote is a way to go, because PowerPoint is just, I don't know. Anyway.
The time is always right to open up your eyes and be the flickering flame.
All right, so go ahead and grab your iPad, find Keynote, and follow along at home. So here is our iPad screen, and again, when you swipe up from the bottom, what you're going to see is this little magic circle, which we are ready to press now. And when you press it, one of the things that is going to happen is that it's actually going to start recording everything that's on your screen. So what you want to do is, first of all, press it, just kind of hold it down a little bit, and you want to make sure that your microphone is on. So again, what you do there, keep that pressed down, lift it up, and you want your microphone on. So if it is off, what do? You press it so that it is on. Okay, so let's go ahead and press this magic button and see what happens. And what you're going to notice is it's going to do a countdown, and then it's going to start recording everything on the screen. 3, 2, 1. Boom, we are recording. And this is the presentation that we're going to start. So I wouldn't start talking yet, but I would be ready to talk and give the lesson. And when you press the triangle at the top right, we're going. And then I would just go ahead and start the lesson right here. And you can edit out that other part of the beginning. So, addition is something that's very cool. You swipe the screen, swipe it again. So I'm going to teach you how to add. What you're going to do is you count things. We have 2 bowling balls and 1, 2. And we're going to add another 2 bowling balls to this. And you end up with how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we know how to add. And then that could be your lesson. Okay. All right. I think my work here is done. See you later.